Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are visiting the famous word of Mysore Pak in Mysore. This is a paradise for sweet lovers. If you love traditional Indian sweets, especially Mysore Pak, this place is a must visit. Just look at this. So many varieties of Mysore Paks. Did you know where Mysore Pak originated? It is in the royal kitchens of Mysore during the rule of Krishnaraja Odiyar IV. It was specially preferred for the king and later it is became the Karnataka's most favorite sweets. Okay, it is the Mysore Pak preparation kitchen. Here you can see the machines, and here the main ingredients what they are using is gram flour, pure ghee, sugar, and water. That's it. Very simple ingredients, but the techniques all makes the difference. We have already seen how Mysore Pak is prepared. Now let's see how they'll pack it hygienically and professionally. Okay, here comes the freshly prepared Mysore Pak straight from the kitchen. Okay, after setting properly, it is cut into neat square pieces. Okay, you can see that soft texture golden color. Staff members wear gloves and handle the sweets carefully to maintain hygiene. Clean trays and packing encounters ensures that the product remains fresh and safe. Okay, apart from Mysore Pak, they also offer many varieties like rasmalai, rasgulla, jamun, dry fruits. Okay, you can see all these varieties in this video. Okay, you can also find kaju katli, badam halwa, chocolate bites, mango delights, son papdi, some milk sweets, and also the peda varieties. So, this display is full of colorful traditional Indian sweets. Okay, here you can see the chocolate, different varieties of chocolates, which is made from raisins, almonds, kaju. Okay. Okay, if you are not into sweets, don't worry. They also have mixture, murkulu, kodbale, chips, and spicy snacks also. This is perfect for tea time cravings. Okay, when you head to section 3, they have some gift boxes and also hampers. So they have beautifully packed gift boxes. These are perfect for festivals, for Diwali, weddings, and also for corporate gifts, and also for special occasions. So the packing looks premium and elegant. Okay, here in section 4, they have some special items, some ready to eat sweets, seasonal specials, and festival exclusive sweets. So, here everything is fresh and neatly packed. What I love about this place is the quality and taste. You can actually smell the pure ghee aroma as soon as you enter. Okay, if you are visiting Mysore, this shop is definitely worth a stop. The Mysore Pak pieces are first placed on the butter paper. So this maintains textures and prevents sticking. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.